everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Padlet, which is a really great way to get a comment section on your page for your class. So what I've done here is, let me just make sure that I've shared the correct screen. Yep, okay. So what I'm going to do is show you first, this is my website and my home page. What I went ahead and did already is I created a comment section that has been going really well for my class. My students really like to leave a note after the discussion on Zoom and let me know which artist they preferred, or they tell me which artist they've seen in person. Sometimes they share an image of an artwork that they've made. So this is some examples of my comment section that students have left, and I always tell them that I grade their participation by leaving a comment, and that is the way that I take attendance. So it's really important that they leave a comment, and they do. So you can see there's tons and tons of comments on here. The only thing that I don't like about this particular one that I chose is that and maybe there's a way to fix this in the edit section, but in order for them to add a new comment, this addition button is at the very bottom. So that's the only negative thing, except for that they do get to see everything that they have posted. But when you hit add, it'll come up with a little box here where they leave their comment and then they hit enter, and that's it. The only other thing you might want to have them do is create their own account on Padlet, because it doesn't say their name, it says anonymous. So I tell them to write their name, but sometimes they forget, and then I don't know who the comment is from. So I'm going to show you how to create one of those. You go to google.com and you can just type in Padlet, or I think it's just padlet.com. And you go to the website Padlet, and you have to create an account. I already created an account, so it brings me to my dashboard. You can create up to 4 Padlets for free, so I've only created one. I'm going to create a second one for my same website that is called Current Events San Diego, where they can post their art show that they may be having. And I can post art shows that I'm having or that other students send me. They send me flyers all the time, and I feel bad. You know, I don't want to blast those out to everyone, but I can put a comment section where people can do that. So I'm just going to incorporate that so that they feel like they are included and they can talk about their art as well, which gets them really excited. So to do that, you simply click Make a Padlet. You get I chose, for the first one, I chose the wall. For this one, I'm going to choose the stream and just click Select. And those are the different, the ways that they're laid out, the layout. So then you go to, on the right-hand side, it's going to give you the title. I'm going to name mine Current Events SC, and I'm going to give a description, which will be list your art show here. Okay, then you can click a background. That one's kind of nice. You can pick a theme. You can pick light or dark. You can choose the font style. There's a lot of different things you can add in. You can put in symbols. You can put in all kinds of different things. And you can also choose display the author's name above each post. So I don't know if that'll ask them to do something else to create put their first and last name, or maybe it'll add a box where they can. You can put a profanity filter, and you can let them leave comments on comments. I like to do that too. You can also give them an option to like, vote, star. So I'm going to give them like. You can add tags, and then you click next. After that, you decide whether you want it public, private, secret, and then there's different moderation approvals here. Then you click start posting. So here's my Padlet. If I want to add a comment, I can. So someone today, one of my students, sent me a file for an art show that they wanted me to share. So here it is for the San Diego Watercolor Society. I'm going to open that image, which came from my desktop, open, and it'll show up in the comments. It takes a minute to show up. And then I'm going to write San Diego Watercolor Society reception. When is it? Oh, Friday, November 30th. Oh, I guess it's already over. San Diego Watercolor Society show through December 30th. Okay, and then you just click enter, and there's your comment. So then the next person, when they want to add a comment, the comment add addition, I'm not sure where it is. Oh, there it is, right here. Oh, it says click anywhere. Oh no, I thought I could maybe move that button around. Okay, so now here's my Padlet. I've done it. I've created a comment page. Now I need to move it to my art appreciation website. So the way I'm going to do that is go to my editing art appreciation site, and I'm going to create a page. And you do that by clicking on pages. You've already learned how to insert a new page, so I already did that. I'm on the page, and then I go to insert, embed, and I have to go over here to my current events. You click share, and you click share, export, or embed. And then you click embed your blog, click copy, and then go to your art appreciation site. This is not the editing one, this is the real one. And then you go to embed code, and you click paste, and you embed your code that I just copied from Padlet. Click next, and then insert. Then it shows up here, and I'm going to enlarge it, and it will elongate as long as the comments continue to be long. As long as people add comments, the page will just get longer and longer, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so now there it is, and then I click publish. And then I go to my regular website, and I'm going to restart it and see where it is. Go to my current events SC right here and see if it shows up. And there it is. And there's my comment. So now when someone else adds a comment, it'll go right above it. So if I click this button, then I can add a comment with a different show or a different image or a different comment. So that is my lesson on adding a comment section of Padlet into your